What you say? See light to them, man. You light to them, sweet your fuck. It's sweet your fuck.
B34 and 22 Porsche.
Reggie talk to the camera, man. What you say yourself?
Lychee, China Guinea. The dearest fruits right now on the market.
Them sweet your fuck.
That thing I sell 12 bills a pound.
How much y'all let to go for?
Right now we're on the road with them, we get them for a price today, so 1,000 we are shopping for.
Which price there?
Understand? Where the new green you on about? Now Manchester, global up it.
Right where car lot there.
Right where car mark, the new green you on about.
Yeah, man.
Say the highway with them.
Highway. St. Elizabeth. So if you're coming from St. Elizabeth, you can stop and get your China Guinea. You understand? See there? They love the lychees. Go on, Addy. Lychee them. Them, man, them can't stop for them. Them can't stop for them. This is the Jamaican Chinese Guineas. Alright? That's OG Sugar and OG Bobby Johnson over there. Yo,